So I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm using Bootstrap because they've got a really good cards section on there. In fact, that's where it's all come from. But more importantly, they've got the images for the male and female. You could choose any really, so you could look online and go and get them. But I'm going to stick with the Bootstrap images. So I'm actually going to go to W3 Schools and Bootstrap for, and I think they call it cards. So let's take a look at what we do if we type cards. There we go. So we've got these images here. So if I go to the Bootstrap site, now how to get these cards. It's a little bit hacky. We're going to have to actually find the image for the cards. Here we go. Can we see this here? So I've scrolled down, I've got to an example, and it's giving me what the image is. And if I actually take that and copy it, Control C, and if I paste that into the browser, ooh, that one didn't work. There we go. So what I did, let me go back and show you what I did there. I've got this website, W3 Schools, Bootstrap for bootstrapcards.asp. What I did was overwrite the Bootstrap cards.asp with this image underscore avatar 1.png. So you could type it or you could copy and paste it. So I pasted it there, and when I pressed enter, it took me directly to the card. Now you're into the point where if you right click, you can save the image as, and it should go to your downloads folder. But I am going to change the location where I save it to my web. Look at KE web. I'm going to go into cards and I'm going to save it there. You might want to rename it, it's up to you. I'm going to rename it mail. It just makes it easier when we type it in, so I'm saving that. There we go, I've downloaded it. And if I change this number here from avatar 1 to avatar 2, oh, I get a coloured mail. Let's try avatar 3. I want a female one. Oops, got another coloured one. 4. There we go, got a nice female one there. So I want to do the same thing with this one. So right click, save the image as, same folder in my cards folder, I'm going to type female. Now if you want one of the other ones, just download it. I think the male one that I've got is actually black and white, whereas this one is colour. But if we go through a few more, we might see the coloured versions. So 5, whoops, that's 4 again. So 5, oh, nice hairdo. And 6, they've got quite a few. So you might want to have a look through what they've got as images. And we've run out of them. There we go. So I've got my two avatars now. So if we go back to our file system, just check that we've got them. I've got one called male, one called female, and I'm ready to start the coding in my web pages. So my database is set up to take a male or a female, and I've got the images ready to display on the card. So the next video we're going to see about editing the main page so that I've got a gender form here where I can select male or female.